Yeah, so my sheep is Rifat Peshkatari. It's in Durres under Ura Dailani. Why are you looking at me?
Can I do it?
Well, yeah, you can, yeah, but don't look at me and smile. You're making me nervous. So basically, we both got like spaghetti with seafood, like seafood pasta, and I'm finished, just waiting for her to finish. And like seafood with octopus, what's this again? Shrimp. She wants to be in it so much now, innit? So look at the view I wake up to like nearly every morning. Hello my sheep, welcome back to another vlog. So right now we're at the beach with Ellie, and we're gonna go get a jet ski, and hopefully I can put it on the thing, on the bring my phone onto a jet ski. If not, I'll just put it in the glove department, whatever. That's the beach if I haven't showed you. Yeah, so it's about like 25 quid for about 15 minutes, and then go around and then see. Boom. There's Jetskis right there. Put on the life vest. Let's get ready. There we go. All done up. Ellie.
Yeah?
You excited?
Yeah.
Don't sound excited. So we're not allowed the phones onto it, so I'm just gonna give this guy to take a few pictures of us and a video of us leaving and coming, and probably maybe coming back. And what's she hiding? Get over here. Alright my sheepers, so now we're at what's it called? Cest la Vie. Cest la Vie. C'est la Vie.
Sunset Bar.
C'est la Vie Sunset Bar in Durres. As you can see, it's not actually sunset, but we're a bit late. It's not too bad though. Say wagwan.
Yes, Cest la Vie.
Cest la Vie?
La Vie.
Cest la, c'est la Vie. But over here it says Sunset Bar.
Maybe that's Sunset Bar.
Or maybe that's a different one.
Maybe that's Spanish.
No, it's in French. So we're actually proper stupid. We thought the C'est la Vie bar was a Sunset Bar, and it's just like completely different. For fuck's sake. Oh, I feel so stupid. This is all your fault, you know.
It wasn't my fault.
You said that was the one.
Okay, but whatever.
But whatever what? So it's all the way up there.
Does he remember this from last year?
No, I don't think so, but this was our second date, wasn't it? Or was it the last date? Last year.
Second last.
Second last date, yeah. Last year we were on our second last date here. Ooh, straight away. 15th floor. Bus it. Down, bus it.
Is there no more floors? It's only 15.
No, it's 15, but then you have to like kind of walk up one step, fix your hair.
Yeah, because I have no mirror here.
Go ahead.
Looks so messy. Oh.
The view, oh my god. So nice, isn't it?
Mosquito bit my finger.
It bit your finger and your toe. So now we're done, and then we're just gonna go into the car and then drive back home. Probably meet up with the families. Are we meeting up with the families? Hold on.
What's like half 10?
Get on this side. Look how nice this place is though. So tell me this does not look like Hollywood. Hollywood.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.